In this video, we're going to talk about how to work with recruiters and headhunters to find Python job opportunities.
Hi, I am Imran Afzal. I make learning technology easy, even for beginners in IT. So I have over 25 years of experience in Linux administration, Windows, virtualization, and many more. I have taught millions of students worldwide.
These professionals can be a powerful resource in your job search. In fact, many of them have access to openings that aren't even posted online yet. Think of them as a bridge connecting you to companies that are actively hiring. Let's break it down so you know how to work with them the right way. So, first, what's the difference between a recruiter and a headhunter? A recruiter usually works for a company or a staffing agency. Their job is to find strong candidates to fill open roles. A headhunter is an independent contractor and does not work directly for the hiring company. They are indeed your best friends because they will only get paid when you get a job. A headhunter can help you land interviews, prepare your resume, and even coach you before the big day. Now, how do you actually connect with them? One of the best places to start is LinkedIn. It's where most recruiters look for candidates, and it's where you want to be visible. Make sure your profile is updated, especially your headline and skills section. And if you're actively looking, turn on the Open to Work feature and include Python as one of your top skills. You can also go beyond LinkedIn by registering with tech staffing agencies. Here are a few worth checking out: Robert Half Technology, TopTal, Tech Systems, Aerotech, Hayes. These agencies often have strong relationships with companies hiring Python developers, from startups to large enterprises. Once you are in touch with a recruiter, how you communicate matters. If a recruiter reaches out, you message them first. Here's what to keep in mind: be professional, respond clearly, politely, and with purpose. Be honest. Let them know what you're looking for and what your current skill set is. Be prepared. Have your resume ready along with your GitHub link or portfolio. Here's a quick example of how to introduce yourself. Hi, John Smith. I'm a Python developer with experience in automation and web development. I'm actively exploring back-end or full stack roles. Let me know if you have any opportunities that might be a good fit. It's short, focused, and gives them what they need to get started. So, what should you expect when working with a recruiter? They may want to schedule a quick call to learn more about your goals. Often, they'll submit your resume to multiple companies and they'll expect you to stay responsive. Some recruiters might also offer tips on improving your resume or even help you prepare for interviews. And occasionally, you may be asked to complete a short technical test just to confirm your skills before your resume moves forward. Here are a few quick tips to help you build strong relationships with recruiters. Respond quickly. If they call or email, don't wait days to reply. Don't ghost. If you're no longer interested or available, just let them know. Professionally, stay organized. Keep a list of recruiters you've spoken with and which companies they've submitted your resume to. Be respectful. Your attitude matters. Recruiters often talk directly to hiring managers. Final thoughts before we wrap up: recruiters and headhunters can open real doors, but it works best when you treat them as partners. They want you to succeed because your success is also theirs.
I hope you learned something useful in this video, and I will see you in the next one. But wait, please don't forget to subscribe.